Hello, my name is Dr. Gazania, and I'm going to do a tongue diagnosis with you guys to talk about the tongue. Now, the tongue is like your body's report card. It lets a doctor of acupuncture know what's going on in your body. So I'm going to talk about this tongue right here. All right, so the tongue color is kind of purplish. The tongue body is kind of swollen, has some puffy edges. The tongue coating is like thin white, slightly dry, and you see a crack. It's kind of going across the crack. You see the crack, and then other things I see is a slight scalloping of the sides. Now, from a TCM pattern diagnosis, this is what I would say for this tongue. It's called something blood stasis. This is what we would call blood stasis. The purple hue in the central crack indicate impaired circulation and possible long-standing stagnation, often related to emotional stress, trauma, or cold invading the meridians. And then also I see something called spleen qi deficiency with damp retention. Now the swollen body and scallop edges suggest that the spleen is not transforming and transporting the fluids properly, leading to internal dampness, fluid retention, weight gain, stuff like that. So this person may be possibly obese, overweight. And then also I see mild yin deficiency or fluid insufficiency. The dry coating along with the crack may point to some yin fluid deficiency, especially of the stomach. Now, what one formula that I may recommend for this person is called Shui Fu Zhu Yu Tong, basically to help move blood and qi, open up the chest, nourish the blood, helpful if you have a lot of emotional stagnation. I probably would add something for her qi and fluid like Danshin, Fuling, Mei Min Dong. And then also this person may be under a lot of stress, so I may add some Chai Hu to help move the qi or whatnot. Now, some of the lifestyle recommendations I recommend for this person with this tone, they need to move. They need to move their body, to move that qi and blood. So they will need to do gentle exercises like a brisk walk or dancing, making sure they get acupuncture or cupping, especially in their upper back, chest, and like their liver meridians. So also for them to support their spleen, they should be eating warm cooked foods like steamed vegetables, soups, and avoid the cold raw foods and excessive sugar and dairy. And then sip on some ginger or cinnamon tea in the morning. Super simple, right? And then to reduce some of the blood stagnation triggers, this person should journal or see a therapist to kind of move that stuck emotion, stretch daily to help enhance the circulation, and also possibly use castor oil packs on the abdominal or lower back. And then hydrate. This person should eat pears, cucumber, black sesame seed, soaked chia seeds, and herbal teas like American ginseng. Okay, so this particular person, this tongue again, kind of summary, reflects there's an underlying stagnation, fluid metabolism imbalance. So the treatment should focus on invigorating blood, strengthening your spleen qi, and gently nourishing yin to restore balance. Now, this particular person recently retired, so for many years working, so that's not a small feat. So that person's body's probably been their body's been holding them down for a long time. And now it's talking to you through their tongue. The body's talking, right? So again, the purple color, that means your blood has been working overtime, but isn't flowing as smoothly as it should be. And all those years of stress or holding emotions on the job, it builds up. It's like a traffic on the freeway. So if it gets backed up too long, things get tired, heavy, and stuck. That can lead to aches, stiffiness, and low energy. Now, the swelling and the little teeth marks on the sides, right? That's your digestion saying, I'm tired too, right? So in Chinese medicine, we call this your spleen qi, basically your gut's energy, right? Your gut's energy. It's probably a bit sluggish from years of quick meals or emotional stress. You might feel bloated, foggy, or just plain wiped out sometimes. And that central line that you see, the crack and dryness, that shows me that your body's fluids and your internal cooling system, we call yin, it needs some nourishment. You've been pouring out for everyone else, and now your body needs you to pour back into yourself. So again, what do? We move the blood and with gentle stretches, walks, or even like just grooving to your favorite music. And then we support your digestion with warm cooked foods like soups and greens, nothing too cold or raw. And we hydrate with yin. We hydrate your yin with herbs like juicy fruits like pears, and rest. And not just sitting still, though. Not just sitting still. Okay, so your body is wise. It's saying, sis, I've been strong for decades. Now I need some loving care. And you absolutely deserve that. So there you go. The person knows who tongue this is that I basically analyzed. So this is what it is. So if you want your tongue analyzed, I'm only going to be doing this for a short period of time, right? But just DM me, message me, and I will basically do a video like this to let you know what you need. And the herbs that I prescribed or recommended, you can hit back with me and I can prescribe something for you, all right? Have a good one. My name is Dr. Kazania. I am a doctor of acupuncture and integrative medicine, and I hope you guys have a great day.